or from where to start it will give, the framework will give. Then if you see, there should be a team for it, because it cannot be applied or it cannot be implemented by a single person. So we need a team here. So the identified entities of the team, the program director of IT, Cisco system coordinators. So I want to talk about the system coordinators. For all the courses we have a person named system coordinator who is responsible for that particular course. I am the system coordinator for a particular course, computer security. So all the lectures, labs, whatever related to my course, I am responsible for it. So I am just designing that, I am framing the labs, okay, everything I am doing. So the system coordinators, they are playing a very important role. They are going to identify the FOSS tools here in this particular framework, and LRC providing, that means those are providing the resources. Learning and Resource Center, they are going to be part of the team, and educators. Educators, probably the teachers and also the students we are including here. So this is the team, and team they are having their own responsibilities, and each and every entity is also having their own responsibilities. So it is very clearly given in the paper, you can see in my paper. Then we are going for a phased approach. We are planning, not yet started, it is just in the proposal format. So we are planning to start it in the phased stage. So in the 4 phases of implementation, phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, phase 4. So in phase 4, IT foundation, the basic course. Instead of Word is the basic software, MS Office is the basic software they are using, they are learning. So instead of that, what is the alternative tool? How we can ask the students not to type in the word. My intention is not to type in the word. They want to create an additional feature in the word application. For example, cut is there, copy is there, paste is there. Very popular, very common. Everybody knows that. Cut, copy, paste. Now, I don't want this cut. I don't want the copy option in Word. So I want to remove it. So we have to teach this to the students. Okay, so this is the A. So level 0. Then in the second phase, that means in the second year, so planning to move from the level 1. That means specializations, like all the specializations like networking, database, as we already discussed. Then third phase and fourth phase. The fourth phase, it will be completed. You can see in the next slide. So we are having a phased approach, which is slowly covering from level 0, level 1, level 2, level 3 and level 4. It should be in the level 4. All the levels will be completed. So within a 4 years of time period. So this is the implementation plan. Then you may ask, I'm just talking about fast without telling about anything. Any examples means you can say we identified some of the FOSS tools for the courses. You can say network security A, computer security and introduction security. These are all the courses related to the security. You can see what is the possible open source software means. Backpack Linux, Wireshark, Nmap, OSIC, Security Onion and Metasploit, OpenSSL. So these are some of the tools we identified, and we don't know this particular tools will achieve all the outcomes in the course. Okay, so sometimes it may match or sometimes it may not. So this is some of the courses that we identified. I will give a copy of the PPT also, you can take it. So all the alternative tools are given here. So as a conclusion, what I want to say here, from the cages, when we are kids, we saw Apple only in the papers.